Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking which Windows edition and build your on so you target the right update package. Once done, free at least 20% disk space and unplug VPNs. Make sure third-party antivirus is temporarily disabled because it can block updates. Create a system restore point and back up any critical files. Now open Settings Update and Security Windows Update and pause, then resume updates to refresh the update queue. This forces Windows to reevaluate pending patches. Next, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter to catch common issues. Follow its prompts and apply repairs it suggests. If that doesn't fix it, open an elevated command prompt and stop Windows Update, bits and cryptographic services, then rename Software Distribution and catroot 2 folders to force fresh cache rebuilds. After restarting services, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair image corruption, then sfc/scano to fix system files. These steps clear component corruption that often triggers the missing security and quality error. Finally, try a manual install. Find the exact cumulative or feature update for your build and install it. This bypasses the Windows Update agent. After installation, re-enable your antivirus and reboot twice so services settle, then check update history to confirm success. If the error persists, perform an in-place upgrade repair using the Media Creation tool to repair Windows without losing files. One key troubleshooting tip: collect the specific error code from update history and search for that code when contacting support. It narrows diagnostics and fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.